assassination of Hassan Nasrallah, Hezbollah's longtime leader, has left a significant power vacuum. As Israel intensifies its campaign against high-ranking officials, one pressing question arises. Who will lead Hezbollah into its next chapter? For over 3 decades, Nasrallah transformed Hezbollah into a formidable military and political entity. His death signals not just the loss of a pivotal figure, but raises serious concerns about the group's internal cohesion and operational effectiveness. Yet, analysts believe that Hezbollah's decentralized structure may facilitate a smoother transition during this uncertain time. As Hezbollah faces this transition, 2 primary candidates are emerging: Hashim Saifuddin and Naim Qasim. Saifuddin, who currently leads Hezbollah's executive council, is seen as a frontrunner, boasting strong military and political ties, especially to Iran, which is Hezbollah's primary backer. Meanwhile, Qasim, the Deputy Secretary General, has been a stabilizing presence within the organization, publicly reaffirming Hezbollah's readiness to confront Israeli threats. Apart from these, there are a few more candidates who could be the next Hezbollah commander. Mohammad Raad, a prominent member of parliament and leader of Hezbollah's parliamentary bloc. Mohammad Yazbek, head of Hezbollah's religious committee. The succession process will hinge on several critical factors, which include the level of Iranian support, internal unity within Hezbollah, the military credentials of candidates, and regional recognition. However, the challenges are daunting. The leadership void complicates decision-making, and recent Israeli strikes have revealed vulnerabilities in Hezbollah's command structure, necessitating rapid adaptation to ensure operational continuity. The ramifications of Nasrallah's assassination extend beyond Hezbollah itself. Iran must carefully calibrate its response to avoid further escalating tensions with Israel and the US. For Israel, this movement presents a strategic opportunity to further weaken Hezbollah by targeting its remaining leadership. As the region watches closely, the implications for West Asia are significant. One can safely conclude that while Hezbollah confronts substantial challenges in the wake of Nasrallah's death, its decentralized structure and military capabilities provide a foundation for resilience. The upcoming weeks are critical as the group navigates leadership succession and adapts to ongoing threats. Bureau Report, India Today Global.